Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your password in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that if you go to Spotify app, there is no option to change password. We can do this using Spotify website. So let's go to spotify.com. Now here, in the top right corner, we can see this setting icon over here. Let's tap on this. Now click on support. Now in the top we can see this profile icon over here, so let's tap on this. Now if you scroll down we can see this option called change password, so let's tap on this one. Now here we can write our current password for. Now type your new password you want to enter. Now repeat your new password. Now click on set new password. So this is it. Now you have finally changed your password in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.